Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 8.5 question number 3. Radhika's mother gave her rupees 10.50 and her father gave her rupees 15.80. Find the total amount given to Radhika by the parents. That means you have to add the numbers. That is addition, right? Let us solve this problem. Radhika's mother Radhika's mother Radhika's mother gave her rupees 10.50 and Radhika's father Radhika's father gave her rupees 15.80. That means total amount given by Radhika by the parents is equal to sum of the numbers. Okay, if we add this is 0, 8, 5, 13, 3, carry 1, 5 plus 1, 6 and 2, 8 rupees 26.30. Therefore, the total amount, therefore, the total amount, therefore, the total amount total amount given to given to Radhika by the parents is rupees 26.30. Okay, this is the solution of question number 3.